When you're photographing any subject with things going on behind them, whether or not the background is out of focus, you really want to watch for merging. Merging is when two things intersect, primarily when your subject intersects with something vertical, such as a post or a line in the wall behind them. You don't want it to appear like something is coming out of someone's head, so try to work around it. Sometimes just moving a little bit to the left or the right can really help prevent that type of thing being added to your photo. You might also want to keep this in mind when photographing things like food. I like to make sure that all of the elements in my scene have a little bit of room around them. So I don't want something behind to actually kind of look like it's touching maybe a plate or a napkin. Even if they're not actually touching, if your camera angle is set up a certain way, it can appear that way. So it's a good idea to keep things separated from each other with both portrait and food photography.